This is the second step of the YouTube video extraction project. And in this tutorial, we shall make a database connectivity. We shall make a setup for database connectivity. This is the only objective and there are certain prerequisites. You should have already studied database connectivity part 1 of my course on ASP.NET Core, or you can go through Entity Framework Core for console applications of my C#.NET Core project. If you don't want to do this, you can learn with me as you walk, because practicality also helps a lot. So first of all, let us directly go to the project. This is the Solution Explorer that we have completed the last time, and now this is the project completed for the second step. This means I have already done and I will be explaining the whole story. First of all, our objective is to add a models folder, and in this case we have two model classes, customer and job. Let us have a look at them. This customer class represents the customer who is visiting our website and using our services. And in this case, we have named it as a customer. This is a primary key, his email ID. This boolean is premium means that the customer has paid for our services so that he can use larger files, download larger files, go for a premium options. And this is the collection of all the jobs, of all the services that he has used, of all the downloads that he has done on a website. So this is a foreign key one-to-many story that we shall use in our jobs table. And here this is the job table. In this table we have first of all defined an enumeration called completion status. A project is in progress, ended success or ended failed. This is the class, and this is the primary key for this, and automatically generated running ID. And after this represents the file or URL to download, the http youtube.com whatever. And then we have a start time of the project at which we started the job, completion status, and simple properties is seen by the customer, whether the customer has already seen or downloaded it. And then this is the foreign key part for the customer who called this, who used this, or who created this entry. And after this, the third class we have added is the project context. And in this case, we derive from a DB context as usual. This is the DB set for all the customers. This is the DB set of all the jobs. And in the onConfiguring method, we have set options.useSQLite my data source is equal to. So this is the connection string, and this is the file that we shall be creating. So this is about the models. And after this, the next thing we have done is come to the program.cs file. Here you will have to do these two install packages for SQLite and for Entity Framework Tools. And you can also side by side install this one also as you do install package for authentication through Google, because we shall be using social media authentication. And for this I have already done, so I can only tell you that you have to go to the NuGet Package Manager console, and here you have to type all these commands, install package, Microsoft, and these. You must already be aware of this story. So let me show you what I have written in this file. In this file, this development we already wrote the last time. This was already done. Add razor pages was already there.